careful with the plating here. It's extremely fragile.
Confirmed. The main spar looks compromised near the firewall.
The corrosion here is class 4.
Agreed. The structural integrity is severely compromised. Documenting the undercut fasteners now.
The corrosion here is extensive, likely due to the trapped moisture.
Confirmed. The blistering extends well under the leading edge. Look at the stress fractures around this joint.
It's completely seized. We need to document the exact angle before extraction.
This section is barely holding together.
Agreed. We document everything visually before we stabilize the area.
Check the manifold pressure gauge. Completely seized.
Confirmed. Document the oxidation on the starboard side.
Tape aligned at the forward reference point.
Looks straight from here, but the fuselage is warped.
Lifting over this root. Okay, resuming measurement.
Remember the buffer zone, gentle cuts only.
Understood. Minimizing vibration.
Slide the main beam further aft.
How's the load distribution looking on the port side?
Looks stable. Wedge that cribbing tight.
Alignment looks good from here.
Confirmed. Ready for tension when you are.
All right, gentle tension on the main cables. Report status at 500 pounds.
Roger that. Applying tension now.
We have separation at the tail.
Bring her up slow. Watch the starboard side. Steady, steady. The straps are taking the weight. It's stabilizing now. Hold it. Watch the starboard tip.
Yeah.
Clear on this side. Send it forward. Easy now, easy.
Look at the pitting here on the strut. It's almost through.
Noted. The alignment is completely off on the main brace, too.
Clear on the right.
Confirmed. Moving forward slowly.
Look at the pitting here on the strut. It's almost through.
Noted. The alignment is completely off on the main brace, too.
Radio check. We are moving steady at 50. Copy that. Looking good back here. Keep it coming straight, driver. 5 feet to the threshold. Watch the starboard wingtip. Plenty of clearance. Flatbed is clear of the fuselage. Continue south.
Roger. Initiating descent to zone 3, very slow.
Confirmed. Clear on the east side.
Take the strain evenly. Clear lift. Coming down slow. Watch the gear. Right on the marks. All clear.
Moving to the outboard section now. The moss is clearing nicely, but the paint lift is extensive.
Look at the corrosion halo around these fasteners. The moisture really attacked the boundary layer here.
Yes, the degradation pattern suggests pooling right along this seam.
Try a tighter spray pattern on that upper brace. Roger that. The corrosion is much worse than anticipated here. Look at the oxidation on that hinge point. It's completely seized up. We need to document the metal loss here.
The oxidation around the rivet lines is severe, and the leading edge skin is completely compromised.
We're looking at a full reskin on the tail booms.
Okay, easy now. Watch the edge.
Got it. Looks pretty rough under here.
Noted. Let's get this to the stand. Fasteners are clear.
Okay, lifting now.
Check the corrosion at the rib intersection. That looks deep. All right, lifting clear.
Hold it right there. Look at the condition inside.
Pretty rough. Should we log the extent of the oil residue?
Clear on this side. Slow lift, steady now. We are clear of the shaft.
Bringing it over to the frame.
Watch the corrosion on the mount point.
It's clear. Okay, easy now. Pull straight back.
Confirmed clear on the aft side.
The insulation is just disintegrating.
Absolutely shot. Make sure to log the exact location of this brake.
Clamp is loose, moving to the fitting.
Got it supported.
Severe pitting here. Note the corrosion shadow.
Look at the pitting here, right near the clamp.
That explains the leakage we saw during the initial inspection.
Okay, the last bolt is loose. Roger that. Tension is holding steady at 5,000.
Clear to lower 5 inches.
Forward bracket is loose.
Secured with the straps, ready to lift.
Hold on, check the pitting near the lower spar first. This junction here shows significant intergranular corrosion.
Yes, the pitting is extensive. We need ultrasonic testing on the main spar.
Check the starboard tail boom panels against the manifest.
All accounted for. Section 12 is complete.
Confirmed. Moving to the engine mounts next.
This section is free, moving it to the cart now.
Okay, let's inspect the cavity. Looks good. The corrosion stops right at the boundary.
The alignment on this section is perfect. Confirmed, ready for installation.
Alignment is confirmed, engineer. I'm securing the fasteners now.
Make sure the load path is continuous.
Hold it steady right there. Okay, hitting the next one now. Check the alignment. Looks good, keep going. How's the fit on that patch, Mark?
It's tight, but it's seating properly. We've got the coupling in.
The load path is fully restored here.
Looks solid. We're cleared for the next section.
Look at the pitting on this bearing surface.
It's worse than we thought. We need to document the depth.
Use the bore scope to get a clear shot of the flange corrosion as well.
The bearing is fully seated now.
All right, let's verify the crankshaft rotation. Looks smooth.
Piston alignment looks correct on this bank.
Confirmed. The clearance is within tolerance. Proceed with the timing cover.
Tolerances are tight, but it's aligning well.
Verified. The rotational play is minimal. Proceed with the final torque sequence.
Articulation test complete on the port gear.
Verified. The structural integrity is sound.
This junction block here, does the pressure reading align with the schematic?
Yes, engineer. The flow is steady through the actuator.
Okay, confirm routing for the landing gear circuit.
Looks good here, following station 140 exactly.
Clamps are secured every 12 inches.
We have full sweep on the manifold pressure.
Reading consistent with the bench test. Log it as verified.
Full and free movement confirmed through the guides.
No binding at the bell crank. Ready for final torque check.
Apply slight pressure to the yoke, and let's check the elevator travel.
Confirmed. Smooth movement and zero binding at the bell crank.
Seams are holding solid, no distortion on the rotation.
Internal coating looks uniform. We are cleared for reinstallation.
This stage ensures that corrosion, once the defining threat to the aircraft's survival, is now actively halted.
Easy now, bring it up 50.
50 acknowledged, clear on the left side.
Looks good, keep coming slowly.
The dihedral angle looks spot on.
Confirmed. The flap alignment is within tolerance as well.
The finish is perfect, exactly to spec.
Agreed. The insignia are spot on.
Bring the port side in slowly.
Copy that, watching the spar gap.
We have alignment on the top row.
Ailerons full travel up and down.
Confirmed. Movement is symmetrical and unrestricted. Set to neutral.
Throttle quadrant movement, smooth and full range.
Check. Mixture control aligned.
Yes, aligned and secured.
All right, easy now, bring it down slowly.
Looks good on this side, alignment is perfect.
Check the seals before we lock it down.
Pressure holding steady across the network.
No signs of seepage at the main fittings. We are clear for engine start prep.
All clearances confirmed on the port side, logging the data now. Roger that, we are green across the board.